Ay, simple lang. Ready na dito. Yan. Sila Papa. Okay, dito kami sa Edmonton, Canada. For 9 days. Ito yung nirentahan naming lugar. Airbnb. Ayan, mata. Ayan. Yung ikakasal na una na. Ito buong buong bahay yan. Tahimik na lugar din dito. Ayun. Ayan. Ready na kami. Ayan si Kiana. Yung iba naka-ready na. Ninong! Musta Ninong? Punta kami sa wedding. 5 o'clock. So anong oras na? 1:20. Oo, yan ang form natin. Simple lang. Simple lang yan. Walang kaarte-arte. Ayan, lasing. Si Jeff, bagong gising. Manong Jeff! Crackers! Okay, yan, may baon pa. Ayan. Okay, Ninong. Easy lang. Mr. Jeff. Some maybe.
How about you? Let me take a picture, dude.
No. Okay.
Come on.
You take a video.
You're
You're the vlogger.
Okay.
Ito is it.
Oh, reverse it.
Reverse it like that.
Oh, let's see both.
Tell me about. Tell something about your new upcoming
Alright,
movie.
We're here in Canada, Edmonton.
We're heading
July
10.
10. And we're going to Michael and Shannon's wedding. We're all getting ready. Check out everybody. There's Roy. And we're all looking beautiful. Everybody's handsome. Jeff!
Jeff,
Could you open it?
pasok. Ipapasok mo dito. Pasok na dito. Ha? Hindi, kanya-kanyang style nga yan eh. Bakit ba? Si dito. Wow, Tyson is the man! Woohoo! Yes! Let's go.
Locks automatically. Okay, so we're going to be going to the valley.
And this is my three girls. And Kiana's boyfriend, Tyson. Megan. Yeah, it's nice, ah. Ito yung rented na isa. All is rented din. Okay. Then let's leave. Wow, poging-pogi si Bornok ah. Okay. Yeah, so the ladies.
Girls, you can come the other side.
There's Drew. What's up?
Hey,